guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And hope you guys had a good day in the market. Unfortunately for me, it was not a good day. As I said yesterday, I knew we'd have a down day of a couple of 100,000. It was a little bit more than I expected, but I think tomorrow we will rally back pretty strong. Unfortunately, right on the open today, I could have actually made some money on the open today. It was obviously our big holding, CRTX, opened at 20 bucks, but then just within minutes kept nosediving. But I think we'll see a nice little rally over the next couple of days. We're seeing some $30 price targets being set by some of the institutions, and I actually bought more of it today as it was going down, and it's still some premium in there. Obviously, we have 3+ weeks left, so we have about 17 trading days of it. But I think this thing could pop up 2-3 points pretty quickly, especially after coming down so heavily. So I still have confidence in it. They still have drugs that work. I couldn't even imagine having a company that was worth $1.8 billion yesterday and be worth $300 million today. I mean, it's just crazy when you think about it, but that's basically what happened, or $400 million. Yesterday, if you guys remember, I'll take a look at it right here. CRTX yesterday was $1.8 billion, and today at 13, now it's a $400 million company. So definitely a huge nosedive. After hours, it's starting to build some momentum, but like I said, I thought it was going to kind of stop around 15 bucks. I was kind of surprised to see it keep going. This stock normally only trades 350,000 shares a day. So traded, between last night and today, almost over 30 million shares, and last night like 8 million. There's only 30 million shares in the whole float on this company. Also, it's about 70% institutional owned. So I think a lot of what you saw today was all your retail investors panicking, getting out of it. They're out of the way now, which is good. And I think, like I said, I think you'll see some institutional investors, because you have to remember, nobody owns this stock for below, before today, nobody owned this stock really below $30 a share. So, and a lot of people own this, like I said, this is kind of like a meme stock. This wasn't a meme stock, but it was kind of played today like a meme stock where, and we can look at like a lot of the hot meme stocks yesterday, all were down, 20, 30, 40% today. This was played like a meme stock where, all the like typical, people just panic and they are out of there. The good news is they are out of there. And then you had some people today buying the dips, and it just kept coming down. So, but I think, like I said, I think anyone who wanted to sell this stock is out of the way today. So I think you'll start seeing it come back, and I think it could come back, like I said, 4 or 5 points pretty easily. And I wouldn't be surprised in the next week or two, hopefully, or by the 19th, that we still are able to collect all this money, and it becomes a really good play for us. So unfortunately, like I said, down today in it, and but I think we'll have a nice bounce back. So down for the day, 427,000. I did add to my position 500 contracts of the 1750s, and we're down on that position just because when I was adding it, it was around $15, and then it continued to slide. But there's still good premium in there and stuff, and like I said, we don't have a ton of it, and I could always roll this out, or I could take the stock and sell calls. But I think we'll be okay. I think, like I said, I think we'll see it pop up. If this, if this thing pops up, 2-3 points, we're back in the money, and and have done good with it. I will tell you this: as soon as it does pop up and we're in the green, I'm not going to ride this out unless I have to until month end. As soon as these pop out and are in the green, I will probably be liquidating them. Other news, Lucid today. Oh my God, it exploded on the open. They did announce that they're going to be delivering cars to people on Saturday, October 30th. They'll be delivering cars. This stock today hit $28.94. And then it came way down. It was sitting around like 28, 27.5, 28, but still strong. After hours, you're probably wondering, why is it up so strong? Well, let me tell you. Ford had blowout earnings, and they are up tremendous after hours. Just tremendous blowout earnings on Ford today. Said doing good. Also interesting, remember how Google yesterday dropped a little after hours? It exploded today, up 5% almost, $135. So it's interesting how like Google ran. I'm going to tell you this, on Apple's earnings, they're going to run up until earnings, and then on earnings, watch Apple come down. Apple, every time on earnings, seems to then sell off, where these other ones keep going and stuff. So Bitcoin tanking, coming way down. Our Coinbase account dropped about $5,000 overnight. So all the stuff coming down pretty heavily. Our biggest loser was Cardano, that broke the dollar, or through that $2 range, even now back to $1.96. I know a lot of people keep asking about Shiba coin. Shiba coin is on fire. It was up today. Let's see here. Shiba coin was up today like 7 cents, somewhere in there. There he is. 7.4 cents. So obviously Shiba coin has been doing tremendous. I know a lot of you guys haven't and have talked about it. If you would have bought it at the beginning of the year, you are up tremendously, 75,000 or 75 million%. I don't know, some crazy shit. The last month, you're up 934%. The last week, 163%. The last day, 58%. So I know there's a lot of hype and talk about it. This could be the next Dogecoin. You could see this go to 75 cents until somebody slams it, and then it's 20 cents. I don't know. It's high risk. It's one of those things. Obviously when you look at the charts, when you look at the 1 month chart, you can kind of see it really, where it was basically nothing, at the beginning of this month, and everybody just kept talking and with different stuff. But you know what? Just for the hell of it, I think it's totally worthless, but I got money sitting here. So just for the hell of it, let's just put $15,000 into it, and let's see what we can do. Doesn't really matter. This is kind of like a fun account for us. So there we go. We're going to buy 189 million shares of Shiba coin. I don't know what that is. And we are in action. So all these people who tell me Shiba is going to keep going, give us that 50 cents, give us that dollar, it's not even 0.7, give us 1 cent. Let's see where it goes. We are in the Shiba coin business now. So there you guys go. I know that will excite you because you guys are crazy with this stuff. So we are in action. So Shiba coin, as of right now, we are down $222 from our purchase price. But hey, it'll give us something fun to watch, and hopefully it does really well. The Zello one today, that was down some more. Probably another worthless one, but ride it out a little bit. At least it's a tiny position at 40 grand. It's not making any difference here. Maybe it'll pop up. But this is why, like I said, it is weird when you look at all these meme plays and different stuff and where they've gone. Like yesterday, let's take a look at like some of the big ones yesterday. BME, remember that one hit up $2.50, halted a million times. Just plummeted today down to 94 cents. The other big one, like the My Size MYSZ yesterday, MYSZ, that one way down again today. It's crazy how these run. Remember that IINN $9, and then just like that, all the way down to $4 today. It's weird. Why would anybody have thought yesterday this thing all of a sudden just whoosh and then back boom? It's crazy like how these things move, and like I said, no apparent reason sometimes. Like people just the fear of missing out or what it is. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. But hey, whatever everybody wants to buy. Today the Dow Jones was down 266 points. First day in a long time it's really gone backwards, and S&P down, and the NASDAQ barely up anything, like 1%. But that is that. Take a look here. Also, guys, remember the Trump stock, DWAC. That one was actually up a little bit today. I was shocked. Not up 10%, but still from, where you look at this one, the or 5-day chart, from $175 on one given day to, just people are getting crushed. The other one, that PUN, PHUN, if you guys remember that one, that's tied to this one. That was up a little bit today. They seem to be trading in tandem, but same thing. Imagine if you're the sucker who got into this thing at $24. It's the same thing like with CRTX. Imagine if you're the guy who owns that one at $130. It's just insane. $121. When that one had done that little pop, so that's a little 6-month chart here, like right in August and stuff. So, but like I said, nobody really owns the stock under $30. $33 was, the baseline. So I think we'll see a nice little pop. I think, like I said, it'll come back, and I think we'll be okay with it. So not too worried. But what do you guys got? What do you guys got for me today? So let's see. Brandon says, no, the Raja does not have Shiba. Well, now we do, Brandon. We are in the Shiba play. Ford, let's go. Ford, like I said, great day in the markets for Ford and stuff. So, John says, epic nosedive for CRTX. Glad I didn't play that one. This is the time to play these. This is where you make your money on these sell puts to open. Like I said, this is where these things rally back, come back, especially after these huge dips and stuff. So, Justin, more than doubled my money on SHIB in less than a week. Congratulations, Justin. Keep it going. Greg, see 10 times on SHIB. Awesome. Keep it going. So, let's see. Taste Ward, I was able to buy back my CRTX puts for 10% above my premium by placing buy orders before the market opened. They went up another 30% or so. Congratulations. Good job. I would have had it, but unfortunately I was out late last night gambling, and then on the way home, Jose's car, they got a flat tire, and I didn't get home till late, and usually I'm up pretty early before the market opens, and I was like, yeah, this will open around 19, 20 bucks. I wasn't that worried. I would have had a profit today. But I got up about 10 minutes after the market opened, and it was already down to 16 bucks. I was actually at that point I was only down for the day about 100 grand on it, and I hadn't even bought the 1750s, and I was like, I think it's going to stabilize. Like I said, I'm expecting this to stabilize around 17, 18 bucks. Maybe 20 by the end of by the 19th. Hopefully higher, but I'm expecting it to stabilize, and like I said, I think we'll come out okay on it and stuff. So we've been through these little dips before. And we, unlike the one guy who wanted to cut Captain Obvious yesterday, who wanted to point out to me that a lot of times these stocks have higher premiums because there's higher risk. But thank you, Captain Obvious. I obviously know that, and that's why I played it. Looking back now, maybe I should have played the 15s. Maybe we could, for $2 or $3. I don't know. I'm happy. I like it. I'm not worried about it. You got to have confidence in what you're doing and what you're playing. Just like, Lucid. How many people told me Lucid's no good, get out of Lucid? Well, I can tell you year to date, all my Lucid trades, puts, even with hedges where we lost millions of dollars in hedges on it, Lucid is up over $6 million for me year to date. So I definitely understand the puts game and how to play it. The meme game, not so well. I understand, I know how to play it, but it is just like chasing, things, it's like chasing sheep all over the place. You just don't know where it's going. So, all right, what else we got today? J-Rod, okay, good job, Raj, on buying SHIB. Thank you. So let's see it. Lacey says, scared money doesn't make money. That's right, guys. I like to gamble, but as I promised, I want to finish this year up positive. I need to beat out Kathy Woods of ARK. We got to outperform her this year, and we got to beat out the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. So I've got my work cut out for me in less than like 2 months and a week to go. So all hands on deck. But you know what? Like I said, I've showed you guys the swings. I've showed you I could be up $2-3 million, and I've showed you I could be down $2 million and come right back just like that. So like I said, you got to have confidence. You got to know what you're doing, and you just got to just stay focused. So, but I think we'll be okay on the CRTX. All right. We got Trace CD says, LOL, we love when Captain Obvious shows, just like the financial advisors. I know. Crazy Carl, IRNT, go. All right, Crazy Carl, go. Where are you going? Crazy Carl, so disappointed in you last night. Crazy Carl missed my live stream from the casino. I told Crazy Carl to make sure he wasn't late, and he didn't even show up. So, very upset with Crazy Carl. This one, obviously, been as high as $47, as low as $9. Basically, was at the bottom and had a nice little pop today. Have no clue why. I don't know anything about this stock. Of course, Crazy Carl probably doesn't know anything about it either, but heard about it. IronNet joins Microsoft Intelligent Security Association. So, that's the news. So, probably it will come down quite a bit tomorrow. But that's definitely good news for it. And Microsoft, they had great earnings. They were up and towards new highs. I think they finished the day up pretty strong, 4%. So they had great earnings. All-time new high Microsoft hit today as well. Just blowout earnings. But mark my words, Apple is going to have their best quarter ever. And they're going to run up until earnings, and which is tomorrow. So tomorrow, watch after earnings on Apple tomorrow. Apple is going, my prediction is Apple is going to be down 5 4 to 5 points, I would say. So with 3%, my prediction is Apple goes down 3% tomorrow after earnings. Now it could run tomorrow. If it runs, then it'll go down even more. But I don't think Apple is going to hit a new high on earnings. It usually runs up right before earnings and hits new highs. If you look at the last 3 quarters on Apple, and then it seems like on earnings it always comes down. Then it keeps coming down, and then it comes back towards earnings again. So that's my prediction on Apple. Like I said, they had the new phones out on time this time in September, so those are all obviously in September sales and different stuff. And you know what? Let's do our Apple check. Like I said, this is how you can kind of tell how Apple's doing. I did get the new headphones in. I like them. They work really well. I don't like my iPhone, what do they call it? AirPod Pros, because they have that little rubber tip, and when you work out, that little rubber tip, with me at least, it slips out of my ear, because I sweat a lot when I work out. So, but this is the real test on Apple. So last time we looked, they were about 3 weeks out on phones. You can get them. They get them every single day at their stores. So if you go to their store, you can catch one. But say iPhone 13 Pro, graphite black, basic phone here, connect on your own later. Do you have a trade-in? No. What is the delivery date? So November 18th to November 26th. So they're still running about 3 weeks, a little, somewhere in there. So definitely, has definitely, so that's a good sign. Sometimes this is interesting. Let's see. Currently unavailable at Flatiron Pro. Pickup currently available there. But we can look at other stores. This is interesting too. Let's see. Let's type in your zip. So not available today at 6 nearest stores, or get it delivered here. Let's say, let's give it a different zip code. Let's say 7502. So 4. I don't even know where that zip code is, but enter. Not available today at 12 stores, so even sold out there. I didn't know where that. Oh, Texas. So. But like I said, their stores get them in every single day, so that's what you have to look at. Let's take the iPhone Pro Max. See what delivery is still showing 918. Sometimes this is also interesting. If you go up to like the more expensive ones, so now this is also interesting. So when you look at this, if every single iPhone is showing you that no matter what model you pick is November 18th through the 26th, a couple of things here. That means one, they could. Oh. See, here you go. See what I was telling you guys? Similar models available. So available at one store in my neighborhood now. So as you go up in price, and like I said, their store get these phones in every day. So here we go. If you want even the 256 gigabyte one now, Pro Max, in store available for tomorrow. So this is what you have to always watch. So even the iPhone, so iPhone 13 Pro, let's go 512. Not available. Alright, someone else. iPhone Pro, anything. So the iPhone, but it is, like I said, they're just showing you the same date. So my guess is they have either a delay in shipping, or they have a massive shipment coming in somewhere around that time. So, but definitely take a look at that. Lady Di in the house, and she says, hi, Raja. Home Depot is kicking Apple's butt even after their split. So, let's see how they're doing. HD Home Depot. Yeah, Home Depot is doing tremendous. All-time new high today. And, I didn't even know this. I don't know anything about a Home Depot's a split, so I'm not sure about that. But, Home Depot is definitely keeps going. Also, guys, Tesla today had a nice little comeback. Like I said, Tesla and Lucid were up so strong today, and then, of course, came back down. But Tesla did manage to stay ahead after yesterday. They were rallied all the way to 1,094. Today got all the way up to 1,070. So I bet Kathy Woods, wonder how she did today. How's she performing? This is our baseline. All right, whew, thank God. Kathy Woods was down today, so we're okay. We're still in the race. No, I'm just kidding. I'm surprised because I wonder what she had that was down so heavily today, because Tesla was up pretty strong. Roku, R-O-K-U, I wonder if that was down today. Let's see. Something must have been down for her. Oh, yeah, Roku was down pretty heavily. Wow, she's taking a beating on this one. From 490 as a high. Look at this. Whew. Some of these are getting beat up on her. So, what else you have that looks interesting? Roku, her other big holding. Teladoc. Oh, it's Square. Oh, it's Square. All right. Teladoc. Oh, yeah, that one's down. About Square today. SQ. That one's another one, way down, but it's near its highs. So, she's got some good picks in there. Some slower picks, but you never know. What else you guys got? What else? AZO. AutoZone continues to ramp expensive options. AZO. AutoZone. Wow, 1,800. It's so hard to play stocks like that, like Google and all these. When their prices are just so high, you can buy 100 contracts. It's tough. I mean, it works out the same, but definitely tough. But yeah, they're definitely near their highs. AutoZone, a 5-year earnings growth trails the 20% year-over-year shareholder returns. So I'm not sure about that. But yeah, looks like it's doing good. Somebody says, how about Sens? Looked at that one before. Sens down today, 35 cents to 556. I don't know. You know, when you look at the chart, it seems like it's pretty stable. So unless some news or something big happens, I have no clue about that one. Where it will be going. So hard to say. But hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Hopefully tomorrow, like I said, we'll see that CRTX come back to life for us. After hours, it's looking good. Up already 54 cents. So hopefully, you know what? 50 cents, a dollar, give me $5 tomorrow, I'll really be happy. But I'd take, you know what? Every day if it goes up 50 cents, a dollar, and we get up to 18, 19 bucks, we make lots of money. So, hey guys, this is Raja Makes Money. Hope you guys have a great day in the market. The Raja has bought some SHIB coins so that everybody can be happy. And I can either tell you guys that you are the greatest ever because we bought SHIB coins, or I can tell you guys that you just cost me a fortune and the Raja is going to be pissed. I will say this. Since buying SHIBcoin, we are already down $500. The 222 that they took in commission, as well as it's already dropped, and we are down $230 more. So we're already down $500. So you guys, I hope you guys are right about this. So, but hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody tomorrow, same time, same place. Raja Makes Money. Take care and have a great rest of your night.